everyone. Welcome to PC Training Institute Limited Online Advanced English Course and Module 2. In session 2, we will discuss about active passive voice. Active and passive voice is very important concept for grammar. Now, first we will know about the verb and voice. Before starting the voice, I will tell you about the verbs. Verbs are action words. Whatever action we do, that it is called verb. Voice is the form of a verb. Takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. There are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. Active and passive. Active voice tells you what the subject of a verb sentence does. Passive voice creates a new subject. Active voice is more common than the passive. Here we can see the example of passive voice. Active. Robin started the group project. Passive. The group project was started by Robin. When the subject of the sentence is doing something, the verb is active. The subject of a sentence is doing the action. We use the verb of that sentence in its active form. Through the example, you can understand clearly. Now see the example here. The man wore grey hat. In above sentences, subject man, verb is wore, object is had. And the pattern of sentence in this voice is subject plus verb plus object. Passive form. The subject of a sentence is not doing anything but is allowing something to be done to it by somebody else. We use a passive form. Here we can see example. Tree is being cut down by a man. A tree is subject, not doing anything but allowing a man to cut it. It is passive. Now pattern of sentence in this voice. Object plus verb की third form by plus subject. Now, as we know that there are 12 types of tenses, but only 8 tenses can change into passive voice. We cannot change 4 tenses into passive voice. These tenses are present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, future continuous tense. Now, we will discuss the tense into passive voice. We will discuss one by one. Passive voice of simple. Present tense formation. In this, to interchange the sentence of active voice of simple present tense into passive voice, the form of to be used with past participle of verb. That means we will put third form of the verb. The formation in simple present tense, affirmative sentences, object plus SMR, past participle of verb, that is verb की third form, plus by plus subject. Now see some example. She bakes cake, that is active voice. Simple present tense in passive, cakes are baked by her, that is passive voice. In above sentence, I is a subject, drink is verb and water is object. Now, we have to change this sentence into passive voice. According to the formation given above, we can write water is subject, is a verb, drunk is a past participle of drink by me. Now, active passive voice change in present continuous tense. The formation in simple present continuous tense is passive form, object plus SMR plus being, past participle of verb, that is verb की third form, plus by plus object. The sentence formation in continuous present tense, object plus helping verb plus being, past participle of verb, by plus object. Now, here is a sentence we have to change into passive voice and we shall see how to change. Let's see the passive form of the above sentence. Keep the formation rule in mind. We can write the above sentences in passive as he is building a sand castle. That is present continuous tense, that is active voice form. Is building is verb. Sand castle is being built by him. That is passive form. Is being built, that is verb but is present continuous tense. Now, here is a sentence and we have to change it into passive voice. We shall see how to change. Formation is, in a sentence, I am writing a letter. Here is subject is I, auxiliary verb is am, present participle of write plus object. Now, let us see the passive form of the above sentence. Keeping the formation rule in mind, we can write the above sentence in passive as a letter is being written by me. Formation object a letter, auxiliary verb is being plus past participle of type by subject. Now, changed in present perfect tense. Now, the formation in present perfect tense is passive form object plus auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, it means is, am, are, that is has, have, plus being plus past participle of verb, that is third form, plus by plus object. Affirmative sentence, it means object plus has or have plus been plus past participle of verb plus by plus subject. Now, we have to change active sentence into passive. Let us see how to change in the sentence. He has drawn a picture. Present perfect tense, that is active voice. Has drawn is a verb. A picture has been drawn by me. Present perfect tense, that is passive voice. Has been drawn, that is verb. Here we have some example. She has signed 10 letters, that is active voice. Here she is subject, has part of the verb singular, 10 letters, object of the verb is active, that is plural. 10 letters have been signed by her, that is passive voice. 10 letters, subject, plural, have been signed, verb, have is a plural form. Now, change in past tense. In passive voice of simple past tense, like another passives, object becomes subject. In other words, we can say that in passive voice of simple past tense, like any other passive, object becomes subject. Auxiliary verb is used according to the number of object because here object becomes subject of the sentence. Action is done on object in the past time. Now, to interchange active voice into passive voice in simple past tense, the form to be, that is, was or were is used with past participle of verb used in sentence. It means the formation of simple past tense affirmative sentence is object plus was, were plus past participle of verb plus by plus subject. Here example of passive voice in simple past tense. She told me a secret, that is active voice. Told is verb, simple past tense. A secret was told to me by her, that is passive voice. Here was told is verb, simple past tense. Active voice, I saw a beautiful girl. According to the formation given, we can write a beautiful girl is object, was verb, seen past participle of see and by me. Now, passive voice of past continuous. Passive formation of this sentence in passive past continuous sentence structure is object plus past tense of auxiliary verb, that is was or were, plus being plus past participle of main verb plus by plus subject. We have a sentence and we have to change it from active to passive. Passive voice of past continuous. Passive formation of sentence in passive past continuous sentence structure is object plus past tense of auxiliary verb plus being plus past participle of main verb plus by plus subject. We have a sentence and we have to change it from active to passive. Let us see how to change. The postman was delivering the post. Active voice form. Here was delivering verb past continuous tense, but in passive form the post was being delivered by the postman. That is passive voice form was being delivered past continuous tense. Now we can see more example of past continuous tense. Active. She was writing a novel. In a passive, a novel was being written by her. Now active. They were saying their prayers, and passive, their prayers were being said by them. Now active. He was giving lecture. A lecture was being given by him. Now passive voice past perfect. Now we can see the formation of passive sentence in past perfect sentence. Structure is object plus had plus been, past participle of verb plus by plus subject. Here we can see the examples of past perfect. Examples are: she had eaten several peas before she offered him any. Here had eaten is verb, past perfect tense, active. Several peas had been eaten by her before she offered him any. Here had been eaten is verb and past perfect tense is passive. Other example: I had drunk water. That is active voice. Here I is subject plus had plus past participle of drink plus object, that is water. Now we have to change this sentence into passive voice. According to the formation given above, we can write the passive voice of above sentences as: water had been drunk by me. Here water is object, had plus been, past participle of drink plus by plus me. Now we see the formation of passive voice of simple future tense. Well, in passive voice of simple future tense, we use auxiliary verb shall and will with be and past participle of verb, that is third form. Object of the sentence becomes subject. Here action will be done on the object in future. Now the formation of passive voice of simple future tense. The formation of simple future tense affirmative sentence structure is object plus will plus be plus past participle of verb plus by plus subject plus remaining words. Now we can see the examples of passive voice in simple future tense. We will take an example with explanation. They will give the beggar some money. Here will give is verb, simple future tense, that is active. The beggar will be given some money by them. Here will be given is verb, simple future tense, that is passive. Now one more example. Active voice: I shall watch a movie. In above sentence, I is a subject, watch is a verb and movie is a object. Now we have to change this sentence into passive voice. A movie is a object, will is a auxiliary verb, be watched, that is past participle of watch by me. Now we will understand the formation of passive voice in future perfect tense. Passive formation of perfect future tense is object plus shall, will plus have plus been plus past participle of verb plus by plus subject. Now we have to take a sentence and interchange into passive voice. Let us see how to do it. Now example: Sue will have sewn 2 dresses by 12 o'clock. Here will have sewn, that is verb, future perfect tense, that is active. Two dresses will have been sewn by 12 o'clock by Sue. That is here will have been sewn. That is verb. That is a future perfect passive voice. Now, while changing an imperative sentence into the passive, first I will tell you imperative sentences which express request, order, advice, suggestion, prohibition, etc. are called imperative sentences. Now the structure of an imperative sentence in the passive voice has the following form: let plus object plus be plus past participle. Here are some examples of imperative sentence. Active, open the door, and in passive it becomes let the door be opened. Now other example, throw the ball. Now passive, let the ball be thrown. Now we can understand through more examples. Active, carry it home, let it be carried home, that is passive. Do it at once, in passive let it be done at once. Switch off the fan, that is active voice, but in passive let the fan be switched off. Call the attendant, that is active voice, let the attendant be called, that is passive voice. Cook the food, that is active voice, but let the food be cooked, that is passive voice. Now, we will show some practice questions that you have to solve so that you can assess yourself and get hold on the concept of let, learn, passive voice, and you can check the answer in next slide. And sentences are, through the test we will recap the active passive voice sentences. Now, changing a sentence into the passive voice. Now, first sentence is I am drinking tea. Second sentence, he played cricket. Third sentence, they will help you. Fourth, beautiful giraffes roam the savanna. Now, next sentence, I will clean the house every Saturday. Now, we can know about the answer. First sentence answer is tea is being drunk by me. Second sentence answer is cricket was played by him. Third sentence answer is you will be helped by them. And fourth, the savanna is roamed by beautiful giraffes. And last, the house will be cleaned by me every Saturday. Now, I hope you understand and passive voice with example. It must be clear. Now you can use it with and without any doubt, and if you still have any problem you can approach us on the contact details mentioned below. The answer can be typed comment box and we will reply back. We also offer online and offline teaching and clear your doubts regarding the subject. Thank you and let us meet in the next session.